Hello and welcome to Enapter. My name is Max.
My name is Clara.
And we'll take you on a tour of our R&D Centre here in Pisa, Italy. This is our main office space. The open format allows us all to communicate freely and effectively. We will now show you our synthesis labs, where we produce and research our chemical components. Follow me.
And now we are going to show you our electrolyzer cell testing lab.
This is where we operate many tiny electrolyzers to test and improve our components.
This is our production area where we produce our electrolyzer systems.
And here we perform final acceptance testing to verify and record the performance and functionality of our systems before we send it out to our customers.
When we need a break, we can come to our lounge to have a coffee and sometimes even take a nap in the hammock. Thanks for coming on our factory tour.
We look forward to working with you.